Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about the 2026 BMW M4, a car that continues to push the boundaries of what a modern performance coupe can be. With updated styling, more power, enhanced technology, and a track-honed driving experience. The 2026 M4 is designed to thrill both on the road and the racetrack. Whether you're a longtime BMW enthusiast or just looking to dive into the M world, new M4 demands attention. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 M4 refines the bold and aggressive design introduced in the previous generation. The oversized, kidney grills remain, but they've been slightly reshaped for a more streamlined and integrated look. Flanking those grills are updated laser LED headlights with a sharper design and new lighting signature. The lower air intakes are larger and more functional than ever, improving cooling for the engine and brakes. Along the sides, the sculpted body lines, carbon fiber mirror caps, and flared fenders give the M4 its athletic stance. While the sleek coupe roofline flows seamlessly into the aerodynamic rear, at the back you'll find redesigned LED taillights, a carbon fiber rear diffuser, and the signature quad exhaust setup, which emits a deep, throaty growl that hints at what this car is capable of. Moving inside, the 2026 M4 combines luxury and race-inspired design. The cabin is dominated by BMW's curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen running the latest xDrive 9 interface. The system is intuitive, responsive, and packed with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, customizable driving modes, and performance telemetry. The M Sport seats are aggressively bolstered for spirited driving but remain comfortable for daily use. Finished in merino leather with contrast stitching, optional carbon bucket seats offer even more support and weight savings for those who want a more track-focused feel. The carbon fiber trim, Alcantara accents, and ambient lighting further enhance the premium driver-centric atmosphere. Rear seat space is tight, as expected in a performance coupe, but the quality and attention to detail are top-notch throughout. Under the hood, the 2026 M4 is powered by an upgraded version of the 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine. In the standard M4, it produces 480 horsepower, while the competition model pumps out a massive 530 horsepower. The competition xDrive model rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Thanks to the grippy all-wheel drive system and lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission. For purists, BMW still offers a 6-speed manual in the rear-wheel drive version, keeping the driving experience raw and engaging. The adaptive M suspension has been recalibrated for improved comfort without compromising handling. And the optional carbon ceramic brakes provide fade-free stopping power even after repeated hard use. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 BMW M4 starts at around $79,000 for the base model, with the M4 Competition xDrive starting near $85,000, fully loaded with all the carbon options, performance packages, and tech upgrades. It can climb past $100,000. That wraps up our full review of the 2026 BMW M4. It's a bold, powerful, and incredibly refined sports coupe that balances everyday usability with exhilarating performance. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.